Good morning, everyone. So I just got up and I just did my skincare routine. So I used my usual products, the SK2 Essence. Then I used the treatment, the facial treatment, clear lotion on top of that. Then the moisturizer that I used today was the Ren Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream. And the eye cream that I'm currently using is the Saturday Skin one. I think this one is the Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. And then I just used lip balm, and I've been using the Laneige one every day in the morning. And I am going to fill in my eyebrows. I'm going to use my usual products, the Glossier, the pen, and then the brow gel. So I'll use that in 1 second. And then last night I used this product in the shower. It's called, I think this is a brand, Herbivore, okay. Might be butchering the name, but I definitely tried this body polish. It smells okay. The smell isn't that strong, but it definitely moisturized my body. So I exfoliated my body just as like a regular exfoliator, then left it on for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then rinsed off my body and my arms, my legs. Everything felt super smooth. So I guess I highly recommend this one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows.
Love that I've ever known, but we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.
So yesterday I picked up a deodorant. It's called Native Deodorant. And this has, I guess, good ingredients. It doesn't have any of the sulfates or aluminum. Yeah, pretty much has like kind of natural ingredients. It's a cruelty-free brand. Yeah, I just wanted to give it a try. Then on the top it just says paraben-free, aluminum-free, and I got the scent Jasmine Cedar. So I really like the smell. Let me go ahead and try it on. I did try natural deodorant a really long time ago, but I don't know, it just didn't work out for me. And I used to go to work and then I just smelled horrible because it wasn't strong enough for me. But yeah, I just applied this, so hopefully this helps. And I can start using natural deodorant again, I guess. It just says to apply on their arm. Do not apply to broken skin. If irritation occurs, discontinue. So yeah, I just applied it, so hopefully it lasts all day today. So now I'm just gonna go downstairs, probably just make myself some breakfast. I already made some coffee. I set my coffee maker to automatically make me coffee. Yeah, and firstly I'll have lemon water before I have anything in the morning.
I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turned into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. I should've told you that I loved you. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turned into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time.
So sometimes I have breakfast in bed, and then I'll have like my iPad right there and my work computer here. So yeah, I know it's not ideal to do this, but sometimes I'm super lazy and I end up doing this.
You're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turned into a flower that never grows.
I just dropped my mom off to work and now I was just gonna head out. I ordered a espresso machine, so I've been wanting this particular one forever. I wanted it in the color pink, but there was just like a back order, so I canceled my order that I had placed for, I think it was West Elms, and then I placed another order now at Williams-Sonoma. So it's all set. They actually did have it in stock, so I got the white shade instead of the pink because the pink is super hard to find. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick that up. It's all set. I'm just on my lunch break from work as well, so it shouldn't take me that long, so I'm gonna head out there now.
I should've told you that I loved you. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not